headlights cut through midnight rain.
I shift my gears and track the name.
Another ping lights up my screen.
Some God's new hero, fresh and green.
I don't pick who, I don't ask why. Just hit the gas and say goodbye. I am Truck Kun, the rolling tide. No brakes, no guilt, no place to hide. You'll wake up strong, you'll wake up new. Good wishes, friend, my gift to you.
Some scream, some pray, some try to run.
No one dodges when I come.
Now that was odd, did one get free?
Backed up for them, no extra fee.
I spin the wheel, I check my chart. Another soul's about to part. I am Truck Kun, I'm death's white line. The road takes all, but you are mine. You'll trade your world for swords and spells. Goodbye, my friend, I wish you well.
I'm not your god, you're just a name. I'm not your judge, you're all the same. The road goes on, the list does too. The next one up just might be you.
Some call me fate, some call me cruel. I'm just a humble high-speed tool. Some worlds need kings and some need clowns. It matters not, I track them down. No overtime, no union pay, but damn, I love this anyway. I am Truck Kun, I'll have my way. No questions asked, your fate today. You'll cheat death's grip, you'll rise, you'll fight. Good luck, my friend, so long, good night. The engine hums, the road's my home. No heroes ever died alone. Rev the motor, sound the horn. Another soul's just been reborn.
Truck Kun, hero delivery service. You tag 'em, I bag 'em.